The ZANU-PF adopted a resolution for Mnangagwa to extend his rule to 2030 in October last year in Bulawayo. It said it was up to Mnangagwa to accept the offer or reject. Mnangagwa has so far insisted he will not go beyond 2028, claiming to be a constitutionalist. Sanabena mashoko nema key proposals obuda panguwa ine panawo au extender time tukamiri wenye cannot subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tivina panapa the news of some key proposals. Mnangagwa's allies are pushing to amend section 91(2) of the constitution, which currently limits the president to 2 5-year terms. Amending section 328(7). This section bars a sitting president from benefiting from changes to term limit provisions. Allow Mnangagwa to run for 2 more years or a 30 term. This section would need to be amended or repealed. Referendum. Any amendment on the term limits and the related issues would require a national referendum, which would need to be approved by the majority of voters. Opposition and civil society groups have vowed to launch an anti-constitutional amendment campaign, warning they will fight tooth and nail against the move. Constitutional expert Love Madugu, a professor of law, has described the possibility of Mnangagwa securing a 30 term as an insurmountable task due to the required 2 referenda and parliamentary approvals. He said using parliament to postpone elections would be a coup against the constitution. With a 2/3 majority in parliament, ZANU-PF could potentially push through the amendments, but internal faction and opposition groups pose a serious challenge to the process. This controversial issue has serious implications for democracy and good governance in the country's future. Extending Mnangagwa's term could lead to a concentration of power, undermining checks and balances essential to a healthy democracy and consolidate his authoritarian power. Thomas Kwarubuda Pangwa ino aiwa ari kunyorwa pamusoro penhau yokestina teme mtungamiri wenyika uchinokwa kunzi aiwa panguva inoi pane basa guru riripo. Inakomesa section medu dzamafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.